In the Cobb-Douglas production function, Q, which is the total output, is equal to A L alpha, AL alpha. This is how we write alpha 03B1. Then we highlight 03B1 and we alt X. So that is our alpha. I'm going to uppercase it. That's correct. So that is alpha. Then K beta 03B2. We again highlight alt X. So that is our beta. Yes, so let me explain the two terminologies, so that the terminologies I mean, so that we are, so Q, this is the total output of production. It can be a microeconomics or rather macroeconomics. I will explain again. So A stands for what we term as total factor of productivity. Total factor of productivity. This is in respect to technology, okay? Then we have L. This is labor input. And then we have K. K is for the capital input. Then we have beta. We need to know alpha and beta. So what does they mean, alpha and beta? So alpha and beta. Alpha and beta, just a moment. Alpha and beta. So if you have alpha and you also have the beta, these are simply we call them output elasticity. So in this case, this alpha is the output elasticity of labor. Then beta is the output elasticity of capital. So that is how we understand the concepts alpha and beta. They are just elasticity. So for you to understand this concept, this is a concept of economics. It can be under microeconomics, it can be under macroeconomics, or rather econometrics. So in the case of macroeconomics, it refers to the national production and growth. So for example, in Kenyan economy, when we are calculating the production function of the Kenyan economy, we look at the total goods and services that have been produced in the country in respect to the labor and capital. So if, let's say, it's a sector of education, we add the sector of education, sector of government parastatals, private parastatals, and many other things. So for more information, you can contact me through the number. That is, if you want to understand the concept of microeconomics or rather macroeconomics. If you also have a question and you want to be assisted, I'm available on request. Bye bye.